Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1040X, an amended tax return. This form is essential if you discover a mistake on your original federal income tax return, such as incorrect income, deductions, or credits. It allows you to correct those errors and ensure your tax obligations are accurate. We'll cover the simple steps to get this done, making the process straightforward and easy to understand. You typically have 3 years from the date you filed your original return, or 2 years from the date you paid the tax, whichever is later, to file Form 1040X. Before you begin, collect your original Form 1040, 1040SR, or 1040NR, along with any new or corrected documents. This might include a revised Form W-2 or Form 1099, or statements for additional deductions you missed. When completing Form 1040X, you'll see 3 columns. Column A is for the original amounts from your first return. Column B shows the net increase or decrease for each line item. Column C displays the corrected amounts. Be sure to provide a clear, concise explanation for each change in Part Roman III of the form. This helps the IRS understand why you are amending your return. Once you've completed Form 1040X, mail it to the appropriate IRS address, which you can find in the form's instructions. Do not send it with your current year's tax return. Remember to attach copies of any schedules or forms that were affected by your changes. Keep a copy of everything for your records. The IRS will process your amended return, and you'll receive a notice regarding any refund or additional tax due.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.